Get an antique Singer model 66-4 with red-eye decals. Serial number is G0312286, which dates it to 1923. What makes it a 66-4 is this has the side clamping foot, which they started adding sometime during the period of March. Basically, the machine's a Treadle machine. I've got it set in a table. The table's not for sale. It's demonstration purpose only. There's a boss or a hub located below the balance wheel, so you can add a head, crank, or a motor. But this is set up in the Treadle, original Treadle format. The decals are good. They're a little darker. There is some wear, a little silver here, but chrome's not too bad. And the machine's been totally serviced and is in very good working order. Basically, I'm going to show you how well it stitches. Got 6 layers of denim, which were already stitched once in the ad. My fabric punched up once there. I'll run through again now. It's a little hard seeing the green stitch. A little hard seeing the maroon too. There we go. But there you can see there's no skip stitches, no broken stitch. It's all equal. When you run a full speed test, that's when you find out whether or not you're going to break thread. But there you have it.